Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Aulia Rahmah with student number F1C024064 from class B. In this video, I will explain the topic of nonverbal communication, which is a crucial part of how we connect and interact with each other every day, even without saying a single word. First of all, nonverbal communication refers to the process of sending and receiving messages without using spoken or written words. It involves body language, tone of voice, the use of space, even silence. These nonverbal signals help to express feelings, intention, and attitude, and often communicate the more meaning than the actual word we speak. For example, when someone says, "I'm fine," the real meaning depends on how they see it. If they smile and say it in a warm tone, we believe they are really fine. But if they look away and speak with flat or annoyed tone, we might guess they are not actually okay. That's the power of nonverbal cues. Body movement like nodding, shrugging, or pointing can also guide or emphasize what someone's saying. Nonverbal communication has a many function. It can complement spoken word, like smiling when giving a compliment. Nonverbal message can show emotion more clearly than words, and they help build relationship by showing interest, respect, or authority. However, nonverbal communication is not always universal. Different cultures can interpret the same gesture in very different ways, but as disrespect in Asian or Middle Eastern cultures. That's why cultural awareness is essential when interpreting or using nonverbal cues, especially in international communication. High context culture rely heavily on nonverbal meaning, while low context culture prefer clear verbal messages. In digital communication, where traditional nonverbal cues are limited, people use new tools to express emotion like emojis, punctuation, typing style, or video call behavior. A simple smiley face can show friendliness or warmth in a text messages, and on video calls, the way we position the camera or respond visually still send important nonverbal messages. Although online platforms reduce physical presence, we still find creative ways to communicate emotionally and socially. Lastly, in professional settings, nonverbal communication is very important. In a job interview, a candidate's posture, eye contact, and handshake matter as much as their answer. Public speakers rely on gesture and voice tone to engage the audience. Leaders use confident body language to build trust. Even silence can have meaning, indicating respect, power, or space for reflection. In conclusion, nonverbal communication is a powerful and essential part of human interaction. It helps us express ourselves beyond words, connect emotionally, and build relationships. As society becomes more global and digital, understanding nonverbal communication and using it with cultural sensitivity is more important than ever. That's all the explanation from me about nonverbal communication. Thank you very much for your attention and for taking the time to watch this presentation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.